Hi students, welcome to Hybrid Learning. In this video, we will solve the interesting trigonometric equation 3 cos A, which is equal to secant A minus 5 tan A for angles between 0 degree and 360 degree. Okay, we are going to write down all the terms of sine and cosine. So we are going to write it down. Secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Tan A is sine A by cos A. We are going to put this data in the original equation. So the equation is 3 cos A, which is equal to, instead of secant A, I can write it as 1 over cos A minus 5 sine A by cos A. Here, the denominator is common, so I can write it down as 1 minus 5 sine A divided by cos A, which is equal to 3 cos A. So we can move the denominator to the left side. So that becomes 3 times cos square A, which is equal to 1 minus 5 sine A. So cos square A is nothing but 1 minus sine square. Cos square A plus sine square A, which is equal to 1. From this, we can find the value for cos square A, which is equal to 1 minus sine square. Instead of cos square A, we are going to put this 1 minus sine square A. So 3 times 1 minus sine square A, which is equal to 1 minus 5 sine A. Multiply the 3 within the terms. So which is 3 minus 3 sine square A, which is equal to 1 minus 5 sine. I'm going to move this left-hand side values to the right side. Okay, we are going to move this left side value to the right side. So that becomes 1 minus 5 sine A minus 3 plus 3 sine square A, which is equal to 0. So I can write it down. 3 sine square A minus 5 sine A. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now, we are going to take sine square A as, that x is equal to sine. Okay? So, x equal to sine. Instead of sine A, we are going to substitute as x. So, this expression, this equation becomes 3x square minus 5x minus 2, which is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. We need to find the factor for this quadratic equation. So I can multiply the x square coefficient, that is 3, with the negative 2, which is minus 6. The factor for negative 6 is 6 times 1 is negative 6. When you multiply, you need to get negative 6. When you add, we have to get negative 5. So it's minus 1, minus 6 and plus. We can split the middle term, which is 3x square minus 6x plus x minus 2, which is equal to 0. From these two terms, I can take 3x out of it, which is x minus 2. Already we have x minus 2 here, so I can write it down, x minus 2 times 3x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now, we have the x value as 2 and another one is minus 1 over 3. What is x? X is sine A. So we can write it down as sine A, which is equal to 2 and negative 1 over 3. But we cannot able to take sine value as 2 because sine must be between negative 1 and sine must between negative 1 and positive 1. So we cannot take this value. Hence, sine A is negative 1 over 3. Okay, we are going to find out the angle A, which is sine inverse of 1 over 3. That gives the value as 19.47. But we have it here, it is minus, okay, so I can mention it as minus 19.47. Where the sign is negative, in which quadrant? This is first, second, third, and fourth. Sign will be negative in third quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. Okay, in the third quadrant, if you want to find the value, you have to add 180. 180 plus theta. Here it is 360 minus theta. If it is in second quadrant, it will be 180 minus theta. But sign is negative in sinus negative in third and fourth quadrants. Okay, so we are going to find the value like A1, which is 180 plus 19.47. Another one is 360 minus 19.47, which is 199.47 degree. Another one is 340.53 degree. So this is the final answer. Let me write down the final answer separately. So A is approximately 199.5 degree and 340.5 degree. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope it is helpful for you. Please do comment and like and share this video to whoever needed this. Okay, to your friends. If you have any questions to solve, please update in the comment. That will be very useful for me to take the video. Take care. Thank you.